Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic for any adventure rider. In the previous video I talked about the fog light and the headlights protection, as they are very important for any off-road, serious off-road. Today we're going to cover another topic, another very important topic for the front of the bike, the radiator protection. It is well known that any trip that you take off-road can end very quickly when you have a rock or a stone chip one of your radiators. You'll lose the coolant very quickly and your bike will overheat. It is therefore extremely important to protect your radiators, especially if you're riding with other riders in front of you. In today's video I'll talk about my experience in selecting and installing radiator protection on my BMW 1200GS Adventure. Now these two are directional. They come on the left hand side and the right hand side. And when you look at the radiator protection, the shroud, they come on top of it like so. Now a little bit of a hiccup that I encountered. As you probably remember from my first episode, I said I will try and save a little bit of money by using a little bit of Chinese radiator guards. Well, I ordered them from Amazon and they arrived. I tried to put them on, but it seems they don't fit. So this is a little bit of a lessons learned for me. So I ordered this one from Touratech. Let's unpack it. See what we got here. Okay, so these are the radiator guards. I get a big book. I was wondering what is heavy in this package. And what I'm most interested in is the guards themselves. So I come up like this. So in the package, for zip ties, this is a adhesive tape to put between the radiator guards and the radiator itself. So this is what it looks like, and right away I can tell this is a lot thicker than the Chinese one that I got. It is not flimsy. The quality of the paint is much better. It looks really strong compared to the Chinese one. We're gonna have a side-by-side comparison. So now when it comes to the Chinese one, as you can see, they are pretty much sort of identical. So side by side, they're quite identical. It's only this cutout here for the Touratech original, and this one is the round one, which comes from the Chinese copy. And this is a lot bigger here than this one, it seems. Now I tried to bend this one a little bit to make it fit, but it looks like it's pretty much the same profile. On the Touratech, you can see here there's another cutout which does not show up on the Chinese copy. So this is a pretty good copy, but it's not good enough. So now we'll start preparing the Touratech Radiator Guards. We'll start by cutting in half this piece, because apparently we're going to need 8 strips and we only have 4 here. So we have to fit this strip U-shaped over this part of the radiator grill, and then cut it to size like so. Measure it, then cut it. Measure again, then cut it again. So we got 2 strips now. We're going to use one here, fit it like so. And the other one on the other grill, like so. Alright, for the next one, I'm going to use the strips they provided to cover the 4 corners of the grill. According to the instructions, they need to be in this corner. And then here. Over here. And then here. So like this. See if you can get, so one here, and then one here, and one here. So each corner. Continue to the next one. So all 4 corners are covered on this one too. These 2, and then these 2. Alright, now I'll move to the bike to take off the covers. So as you can probably imagine, this is pretty straightforward. There's 1, 2, and then 3 screws that we need to take off to remove the covers on each side. There goes one. Second. Third one, and the same thing on the other side. Go back. Alright, so now we're back to the improvised bench. Put these, and then the guards. Let's see which side is which. They're different left and right, so you gotta remember that. Alright. That's where it goes. Looking back at the instructions, they say that for the GS, not for the Adventure, you have to put this strip over here on the top, both sides, so they supply enough for both sides, but not for the GS Adventure. So this is what it looks like once it's on. Alright, let's fit them to the bike. Let's fit this first on the left hand side. There's a couple of plastic knobs that you have to fit them through. Okay, this fits perfect. Okay, that's pretty solid. Alright. Sitting right, touches the radiator in the correct locations, does not rub against it. That's good. Okay, next. Yeah. Okay, let's check. Let's check if it sits properly on the four corners. Alright, that's it. I think it did look pretty cool. Alright guys, as you probably noticed, it is a fairly straightforward operation. It's not that difficult. You only use one tool, the T25 Torch key, and a scissors or a knife, and that's it. You don't have to do any modification or anything. It's a very simple job. You can do it in your garage using a really simple procedure, really simple tools. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.